Hello. So from this point on, unlike the previous few videos, these videos are being recorded in January 2024 for the spring 2024 semester. These remaining slides are usually specific to the particular semester that they're in, and usually I just go through them the first day of class. But unfortunately, I have to be out of town at a conference planning meeting this year for the first day of classes, and so someone else will be running the class that day, and I've decided to just go ahead and record the rest of this for you so that you can see all of this before you come to class. This first slide is kind of a carryover from COVID in some ways, but it's still generally a good idea to stay home if you're feeling sick, if you are sort of coughing a little bit, but you still feel fine to come to class. Consider wearing a mask to protect others. So moving into some other course-specific stuff. So this is the textbooks that we're going to be using this semester. So there are two of them, although only one of them is required. So that top one is the Bryant and O'Halloran Computer Systems, A Programmer's Perspective. This is the one you'll be doing most of the readings from, and so you'll need to get a copy of this in some form. The other book is the C programming language. This is sort of the canonical book about C, but it's a little bit difficult to obtain sometimes, and so we went ahead and just kind of scanned the portions of it that we'll be using, and so those are going to be on Canvas for you to use in the readings from that book. So here is the grading breakdown for this semester. So 25% are going to be for the quizzes that you do before class and the labs that you do in class. These are what we call formative assessments, so they are designed to help you learn. And the idea is that they're fairly forgiving, and you kind of get the chance to iterate on your work a little bit. You'll have 2 attempts for the quizzes, and you'll be able to ask questions as you work on the labs. And so the idea is that you generally get most of the points for these assessments, and they are designed to help you learn. The tests and the exams, so the tests will be online, the exams will be in person. These are summative assignments, so these are designed to assess what you've learned, to make sure that you've learned all the things that we need you to learn. And so we won't be doing a lot of these at the beginning of the semester. And so I want to give you a little bit of a caution to don't trust your overall grade in Canvas until after the midterm, because at that point you will have had enough summative assessments that your overall grade will accurately reflect your performance in the course. The programming projects in this course are actually a little bit of both. So they are designed to help you learn C and to reinforce some of the other course concepts. But they're also designed to assess whether or not you're ready to go on to the other systems courses and do more complicated projects. So they're kind of both formative and summative. So there are a lot of aspects to this course, so there are many components, and most of them are listed here. So there is the public website, so I like to post everything that I can publicly so that other people can benefit from it. So the syllabus is on the website. The calendar, which you're going to want to bookmark and keep an eye on, is there. All the project descriptions will be on the website, and there's a bunch of links to helpful resources. All of the lecture videos are going to be linked from the calendar. Those are posted on YouTube. They're already posted, so most of these were recorded for fall 2020, but they're all still relevant for this year. And then the slides are also posted. There will be potentially some revisions this semester, and so I'll highlight those as we get to them. There's also the Canvas course, and everything that I can't post publicly will be there, so quizzes, lab submissions, module tests, grades, private files, and access to Piazza, so all that stuff will be on Canvas. There'll also be the student server that we'll need to log into and use for lab and project work, and then we'll use Piazza for project Q&A. So you'll need to make sure that you can access all of these components.